What's up, y'all? Man, I tell y'all I had a surprise for my mama. So her car broke down, literally just broke down. So I bought her a new car. Paid for it cash. Watch her reaction.
But anyway, let's pull up to the house. Like my cama? Ma.
Yeah. Who called that?
It's yours, Ma.
Yeah. Yeah. That's not my car.
Ma, it is your car. Here, Ma.
Yeah. Are you serious?
Yes, Ma. Here, Ma, come get your keys to your car.
You said my car?
Yes, Ma, this your car. Here. Come get... Come get your car, Ma. Here, Ma.
Baby, you got your kids, baby. You had to do this.
Ma, this for you.
I
Go
was
ahead.
going to get my car fixed, baby.
Ma, go get in your car. It's paid for, so it's yours. You got to work with no payment, no nothing.
Yeah. Oh, my God. Yeah. That's me for real, kid. That's
Yes,
my
Ma.
car.
Yes, it's your car. Look at Ryan.
You surprised me, too? You surprised me, too?
She don't jump out the car seat, Lord.